Rebuilding a relationship after it's been through tough times can feel daunting, but it's not impossible. In this video, we'll dive into the essential steps you can take to reconnect, rebuild trust, and grow together again. Whether you're just starting or already on the path to healing, these tips will guide you toward a stronger, more meaningful connection. Step 1. Acknowledge the past. The first step in rebuilding any relationship is to truly acknowledge what happened in the past. Before moving forward, you need to understand what went wrong. Whether it was miscommunication, hurt feelings, or unmet needs, don't shy away from facing those issues head-on. This isn't about blaming each other. It's about owning up to your actions and emotions and showing that you're ready to make things better. Step 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Next up is communication. This is key. You can't rebuild trust without open and honest conversations. Sit down with her and talk about your feelings. Let her know how much she means to you and how committed you are to making things work. But also, listen, this is a two-way street. Understand her perspective, validate her feelings, and create space for vulnerability. Step 3. Show consistent effort. Words are powerful, but actions speak louder. If you want to rebuild, you need to show up consistently. Whether it's small gestures like being there when she needs you, planning quality time together, or respecting her boundaries, these efforts build the foundation for trust. Rebuilding isn't something that happens overnight, but the more you show her that you're committed to change, the stronger your bond will become. Step 4. Be patient and give space. Patience is key in this process. Healing takes time, and it's important to give her the space she needs. Don't rush her or pressure her into making decisions. Rebuilding trust can take time, and forcing things won't help. Stay patient and continue to show her that you're serious about making things work at her pace. Step 5. Reinvent your connection. Rebuilding doesn't just mean fixing what was broken. It also means growing together in new ways. Find new activities, new conversations, or new hobbies to explore together. It's about reinventing your connection so that you're not just picking up where you left off, but creating something even stronger and more meaningful. Rebuilding a relationship takes time, effort, and a lot of heart. But with open communication, consistent effort, and patience, you can absolutely reconnect and build something even stronger than before. Relationships are about growing together, so take it one step at a time and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.